What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Tila's Content Adventures. We're right here with my buddies Scion. We're going to do a quick little oil change. Let's do a quick little DIY. All right, everyone, we're under the Scion XA. Super easy to do. Basically, you're going to get a 12 millimeter. You're going to break the nut loose. That'll come down, all the oil drip down. And then here's your oil filter. This was already on the car. I use an oil filter wrench. Super easy. Just put it on there, twist it to drop it. And then we'll go do a quick mass airflow sensor cleaning and swap out the air filter. There's two little clips here. Pop it down, one here, one right there. I loosened this 10 millimeter right here on the intake side. Air filter's gonna pop up. This air filter actually doesn't look bad at all. Actually looks really clean. But my friend here picked up a aftermarket filter. You know, so let's try it out. There is a square design on the corner right there, so that's going to be the side you're going to want to put it on. So let's go ahead, drop it in like so, and we're going to go ahead, put the clamps on the back and pop these up right here. Now, to loosen the mass airflow sensors, there's two Phillips that we're going to remove, and we'll take that out, spray with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. This is the stuff right here, and yeah, that'll be it for that. Super easy for a little drop-in air filter slash oil change. Okay, so here's the spark plugs I got, NGKRs. These are the copper plugs, OEM spec for the Scion XA and the 1NZ engine. Before, the vehicle actually had NGK BKRE5EGP. I'm not sure why he went with the GEP versus the NGKR ones, but yeah, super simple, super easy. You're going to be using a 5/8 spark plug to get it out, and torque to manufacturer specifications for it. All 4 plugs. Super easy, takes less than 10 minutes to do. Alright, y'all, so we're going to do a quick maintenance reset. Put the key in the ignition. You're basically going to want to go on your odometer, and then we're going to shut it off. Then when you turn the key on, you're going to want to hold it. I'm going to try to do this while holding one hand, so bear with me. So you're going to hold down the odometer, and then you're going to turn the key to the on. You'll see it blinking right there. Alright, everyone, and then when you're done, I kind of just sprayed some engine cleaner on the engine, so there's your fresh oil change, maintenance reminder light change, spark plug change, new air filter with the MAP sensor, and we also upgraded to a nice TRD radiator spout. So yeah, not too bad, huh? Please like, follow for more Scion S2K stuff.